Alrighty, so in this video we're gonna do something very simple. Here, for example, when we like our post, we can like and dislike, but we're not able to show our likes count here. So let's fix that. So real quick, let's go back to our code. Here, let's open our the post view item blade. And here, if you go to the likes here in the padding, here let's add a blade if statement. Here let's get post total likers is greater than 0, and also want to check if this post hide like view is on. Want to check if it's not true. So if that's the case, then we're going to show the likes. But here, inside here, we have to get the total like. For example, here we'll say total likers, just like here. This total likers, and here for the like, if this is 1, want to show 1 like. If it's more, want to show likes. So just let's cut this. Alright, so everything is working fine. Now if we go back, let's refresh the page. Okay, awesome. You see this post says this has 2 likes. So here if I click, now it's showing 3 likes. If I unlike, it's showing 2 likes. So now our posts are reflecting the correct number of likes. And then here, because this post, it has hidden the like view count. So it's not showing any likes here. I mean this one is not showing. So let's just try to add a new post. So here if I click create, pick this waterfall. So now here I'm going to hide like and view count on this post. I make it true. So now if I click share, right here my post is shared and the like and view count is not showing. So here if I click like, nothing will show because I have turned off the like and view count. So it's working perfect for this kind of post. Alright, and now for example here, if we open here, our like and view count is still not reflecting the correct one. So let's also fix that in the post view. So right here, let's just copy this whole code. Here, let's open item in our post view. Here, let's go to where there's likes. Right here, let's just replace this with that, and then it's going to be the same. So now you see our likes have been hidden. So I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.